Look at the boss walk. We got the boss walk going here. You got it. What's that? Is that even open? Oh, the chun sounds so good. Yum, yum, yum. This is the menu. So we just sat down and they gave me they gave us the regular menu. Got Danceaholic over here. Gave us the regular menu, and then they gave me a menu because I don't know half the food on here, but it's a bunch of pictures on here, which is awesome. So that's pretty cool. Chicken. And this is the cool can in the Philippines of the Mountain Dew. I kind of like this better than our green cans back home. So what'd you think of it?
Hey, don't not because of my hair.
Oh, her hair. Great job at Jerry's. And Richard. Ask for Richard when you get there. Great service. Richard. Right? Right. Right. Our first time shopping in a supermarket. What's this place called?
Hypermarket.
Hypermarket. Our first supermarket shopping spree. Way different from home. All the cashiers are dressed the same. Nice. Well put. Unlike back home, they just wear whatever they want. So, very, very impressive, very clean here. Oh, and another thing too, there's no self-checkout. There are some registers closed, but there's no self-checkout whatsoever, so no robots replacing people, so which is pretty cool. Our first shopping spree at the supermarket, wherever you call it. It's a Green Ranger on a bicycle. Can you tell? He could teleport. Whoa, whoa! He almost teleported right in front of that vehicle. I made it.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. Perfect. Ray, what's up, buddy? Hello, Kuya.
Good morning.
Good morning. I was about to leave my room. Actually, I left my room and everything went haywire. we got a note this morning that they were doing a like a makeshift earthquake emergency response, and everybody in the hotel was going to be involved. So yeah, it's a good time. So before I got in the elevator's locked right up, just froze. And one of the workers here at the hotel advised me, "Oh, sir, we're having the the earthquake simulator." So I took the stairs from the 7th floor all the way down to the bottom. It was super easy. It was fun. I'm getting out today, do my exercise, do a little walking. A couple people sitting in the office. Or conference room. That's actually a conference room. Pretty good size one. Chilling, like nothing's going on. It's all good. Let's see how the staff are doing. It's hot. Last time I checked, it was like 83. There it goes. Hey! Form a line! Form a line! Oh gosh. No earthquake, but it's all good. Okay. Great people, great staff. I highly recommend, once again, Microtel. Great people. You want top service, you go there. The food's great, the staff's great, the room service is great, the front counter's great. I have absolutely amazing words for them. All the hotels I've been into in my day, just not the greatest service, but when I came here, I was like, wow, amazing, just amazing people, amazing people. Mock earthquake, just in case. And we just got out. God, I was in the hotel probably less than a minute, and I just zipped right on out. Everybody was great. So, okay, well, let's go for a walk. And shout out to my friend, Mr. Gacho. He's one of my, actually one of my favorite channels I like to watch. He videos on live YouTube, airlines taking off and departing and arriving. It's pretty good, very good quality. So if you like airlines, check out his channel. I'll link it in the description. So I'm guessing all hotels are doing the mock earthquakes, which is really good. You know, just keep on top of it and everything. So I definitely approve of that. Me being a foreigner, I'd never experienced it before. In New York, I think we had like mini quakes, but nothing you could really feel. I've actually never felt an earthquake before. So yeah, I think it's definitely a good idea. Good job, guys. Oh, even way down there. I don't know if I can get that, but everybody's doing it. So, I'm not sure how often they do it, but I'm sure they keep on top of it. So that's pretty good. I'm liking my hair. Hey guys, check out the wanding. Look at security wanding. That's great. That's awesome. Wand away. Oh, look! Good vibes. Oh, there's the old Smiley. Oh my god, my sticking things froze.
The smile?
Yeah, the big smile. Good vibes. Yeah. Time for a picture. Hey. Good. Stand by the happy face. What, right there?
Selfie.
Oh, wait. It's like Christmas in March. Back to the pancake house.
Turning into American.
Who eats French fries in the morning? Bacon. Pancakes. Ian did awesome. Ian rocks. Ian's a good server, right? Yeah. Right. Please present your card. Please present your card. So what happened? We just tried to go into the store and then the security asked us for our membership and what'd you say? What'd you say? She needed the membership to go in. And they pointed us over here to get the membership. Pointed us over here to get the membership. And all we want is one thing out of the store. But you need to pay like, how much is it? 700 peso, like I think it's like $14. And I said, nope, we'll go someplace else. Why get a membership when we're only going to use it once? Like, it doesn't make sense. So this is SNR membership. SNR membership shopping. Good times. Can't check the place out without membership. FYI. It's all your fault. It's all your fault.
What?
It's all your fault.
No.
So here we are. So I just brought up
Thinking if we're going to get a membership card or not.
yeah. So yeah, how much was it? How many pesos?
700.
700 pesos. So they want you to get a membership before you even step foot in the store. So I was just telling Jules, I'm like, back home, usually with a membership, before you get a membership, you could actually look in the store and see if it's actually worth your while before you spend money on a membership. So I'm not going to pay a cent or a peso without stepping foot in this place and looking to see if it's actually worth my while, see if it's worth Jules' while. I'm not going to buy something that I can't see. Just like the apartments. You know, people are trying to sell me these apartments and they're not even built yet. Why should I dump over $100,000 into an apartment when I can't see it? Granted, it's only $14 for a membership, but every dollar counts to me. That's how I look at it. Yeah, I could go online, maybe YouTube it or something, but I want to see it in person. I want to see what it looks like inside. So
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking also earlier. Why I want you to check in here, because I want you to know what is inside, like SNR.
yeah, we're gonna show you what was inside, but nope, no business today.
But some SNR really accept without membership card, but here, this place needs a membership card.
Yeah, the place needs a membership card. So not today. We'll go someplace else. Goodbye, SMR.
We haven't buy anything.
Yeah, that was a nice visit.
He's just gonna buy it there.
Oh my God, getting yelled at already.
Because
Matt live.
we're not able to get inside from SNS.
What? Are you taking us on a tour? Ah,
Oh, it's not
Lucky
inside
Stick
from
House.
here.
Let's do it. Not as many people. Slow down. Too fast. I'm a big body.
I got my shirt from our shop.
Get your shirt today. Get your shirt today. Become family with us. That's pretty cool. What is that? An arm? Yeah, sucker. It's like an arm bone or something. Wow. This is just awesome. Look at the artwork. Looks like a skeleton hand. Crazy. Okay, to the marketplace. To the marketplace. This kind of reminds me of like a smaller Wegmans for back home. Oh, bada bang. Here's our store. Oh, my section. Chocolate section. Plus. Been looking for bubble. Bleh. God, I can't talk today. Tongue-tied. We've been looking for a bubble bath for the past like 3 days. Just can't find any. Plastic containers. Kind of reminds me of skim milk. Okay, where's the wife? Where's that white hat? I don't know, need some cotton balls? I think we've checked all of Manila for bubble bath and we can't find it. I swear we gotta open up our own business for bubble bath. We'll make a killing. We'll be the richest people in Pasay. Fruity Pebbles. Julie's favorite Cocoa Crunch, Lucky Charms. Oh, look at this one. Honey Stars. Tricks. Fruit roll-ups. Corn flakes. So yeah, you guys pretty much have everything that we have. We just don't have Cocoa Crunch.
Get me one.
You want Cocoa Crunch?
The small one.
Get the big box for get the big box.
You want it?
Yeah.
You also want it?
Yeah, I'll try it. I'll try it.
The small one only, babe. This one.
That one? Okay. What's Milo?
Same like this.
Like Cocoa Crunch?
Yeah.
Whole grain?
I have milk there.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna. Oh yeah, that's true. I'll just eat it by the hand. Milk, I can't drink milk by the warm carton. I can't do it. It tastes funny.
So they don't have available bubble bath.
No bubble bath. That's okay. We've been all over Manila looking for it.
Look at next time you come,
Yeah.
you should bring bubble bath.
Oh yeah. Oh, thank you. No bubble bath. We got like 2 bottles left of water.
So we'll get there.
Yeah, there's no like Poland Spring or anything like that, but there's purified distilled drinking water, mineral water, natural drinking water. Red Bull. More purified. But I haven't seen like an actual spring water. Oh, Scrub Daddy. Cookies. Hold on. Whoa. Babe, look. We can make some Oreo ice cream here. Chocolate cream. A lot of chocolate cream. Huh. Original. Pocky. Chips Ahoy. Okay, I gotta get out of the aisle. Get fat. I feel drunk right now. Look at all the wheels. Look at the wheels. Off to the side, sir. Off to the side. All 4 wheels turn. Snowballs.